A good chicken curry sets the mood for a weekend lunch. Let's make it jhatpat fatafat in the new Philips OneChef. For the marination, add chicken, Degi red chilli powder, haldi, salt to taste, green chilli, ginger garlic paste, and lemon juice to a bowl and mix well to coat the chicken evenly. Let marinate for some time and keep it aside. Press the power button, select curry mode followed by tadka preset and press start. Add oil to the cooking pot. Once it's hot, add jeera, onion paste, ginger garlic paste and saute for about 5 minutes. Add fresh tomato puree, haldi, Degi red chilli powder, coriander powder, salt to taste and cook for another 5 minutes or until oil starts to separate. Press the power button again, select curry mode followed by chicken preset and press start. Now add the marinated chicken, curd and cook for 5 minutes. Add water, garam masala powder and let cook for the remaining 15 minutes or until the chicken is tender. Finish it off with fresh dhania and give it a good mix. Transfer to a serving dish and serve hot. Garma garam chicken curry with steamed rice or chapatis and your weekend is sorted. Thanks to the new Philips OneChef, it's all you need.